Why did you say mm-mm? I did that. You guys share with Mason. Here, give me the donut. Liam, give me the donuts so I can share with Mason. Give me the bag of donuts. Alright, let me get Mason, I'll get you a donut, okay? Did you say please?